Hello everybody, welcome to ChinesePod. I'm Joy.
And I'm Joe.
And today we're going to talk about something amazing that I love, which is
food.
Especially food from different countries. What's one of the favorite foods that you have from anywhere?
I do enjoy a good French bread or a good French croissant.
Croissant. Me too. And I love a good 中国菜 as well.
中国菜.
What is your favorite Chinese dish?
Oh, 小笼包 is very tasty.
Oh, a steamed dumpling. Okay, so today we're going to talk about different food from different countries and some ways to describe different flavors. So I would like you to listen for these few words in the dialogue. We have 中国菜, 日本菜, 印度菜, 法国菜. All right, let's get to the dialogue.
Yes.
我们吃中国菜吧。
太油了。
Hello! We are so glad that you're enjoying this video so far, but you're not getting the full lesson here. The full lesson and the rest of this video are available on our site, ChinesePod.com. Give it a try and see how much more we have to offer. We have exercises, expanded examples, vocabulary, and downloadable material. You cannot get that here on YouTube. So visit our website today, enter GRACE as the promo code, and get 20% off our premium subscriptions. I'll see you at ChinesePod.com.
But hurry, only the first 300 subscribers are allowed to redeem this deal. Use promo code GRACE for 20% off your entire premium subscription and launch your real learning experience.
ChinesePod,